Hello everyone, it's Natasha from Treasure Books. Welcome to a scrap busting episode. I don't even know what number because some I filmed, some I haven't. I know for a fact I have not filmed this one. And I also know for a fact that I became a little bit lazy. I wasn't doing this every single day, but guess what? I have a plan. So I'm going to do a scrap busting sesh now, but I just wanted to show you this is what I've got so far. And my plan is to make a book. So I'm going to film a sesh today, but then I will also turn this into a book. Not today. I want to make a few more. I want it to be a massive book of goodness, and that's what I'm excited about. Another thing that I'm excited about is this junk drawer. So I'm not excited about the junk drawer, but I just want to show you something. This is very, very deep. The drawer itself is 9 inches deep. And it's about 31 inches wide. And I'm not even going to go into the depth. I mean, height or whatever. And as you can see, it is completely full. So first, I'm going to grab a handful for my session today. All right, this is all I've got. And I might have to do another dive because there's this chunky thing in there. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but we'll soon find out, I guess. I'm not going to do another dive. I'm just going to stick to this in my 20-minute sesh today and see what I can come up with. But I just quickly wanted to tell you, actually, I'm going to start working as I'm talking. Set my timer on. All right, so 2 things I'm excited about. The book that this is eventually going to go into and the junk drawer. And what I decided to do with the junk drawer is the following. First of all, no matter how many of these 20-minute scrap busting sessions I do, that junk drawer keeps getting bigger and bigger and fuller, and it's making me a little bit crazy. It's like never ending, right? So one day I am going to pull everything out of it. I'm going to pile it all up on this desk. It's going to be a mountain of stuff, and I'm going to declutter. Maybe make some projects as I go. And I'm going to bring you along for the ride. Maybe that's not something you're interested in. Maybe it's something that you are interested in. I personally love that kind of video. Anything that's going to motivate me to let go of stuff, especially rubbish. All the rubbish that we keep because we can make something out of it, and we can really make something out of really anything at all. Sometimes it's just too much and it's difficult for me to let go. So I'm going to bring a friend to keep me accountable. And that friend, my friend, is you. Whether you like it or not. Well, if you don't like it, you don't have to watch. But that's what I'm going to do. And I am so excited. I think first I'm going to make the book. What do you think? Book first or declutter first? This is going to be such a cool book. I can't wait. So in case if you've never seen one of these episodes, basically what I do, as you've just seen, I dive into my junk drawer and I pull out random stuff. And then I just create for 20 minutes. And I'm not too worried about what I'm making because it's not supposed to be like anything fabulous. It's just supposed to kickstart the creativity process for the day. I used to do it every day religiously, and then I kind of fell off the bandwagon. Oh, fun. Tim Holtz packaging. No thinking aloud. We're just ripping stuff and gluing stuff down, maybe sewing some stuff. And I'll just say that I just had a coffee. I was not planning to be filming this video whatsoever. I'm in the middle of making another project, which I'm supposed to film in 2 days. But here I am. And the reason why I mentioned the coffee is because I'm very jittery. Jittery indeed. I have this crazy energy happening. And as usual, I have no idea where I'm going with this, but going I am. And hopefully I can inspire along the way. This sparkly thing that you can see here is a pencil case that I can't donate because it's all coming off. You see this? And I'm keeping it because I'm thinking maybe I can repurpose it somehow. But perhaps today is not the day. I don't have a whole lot of stuff here to work with. But do I have imagination is the question. Well, I have noticed that when I do my 20-minute stash busting, scrap busting religiously, I get lots of inspiration, imagination, and the pieces are looking good. And then if I have a break and I don't do it for a while, I'm kind of back at the beginning, back at the start, you know, thinking and coming up with things that I can do and not really having many ideas. And sometimes, let's be honest, I just end up with a crappy scrappy pile, and that doesn't help if you get a crappy scrappy pile. But this is all about exercising that creative muscle and not looking for the perfect thing or expecting perfection or something pretty to come out of it. Sometimes something pretty does come out of it, and other times it's darn ugly. So we shall see what today's yield will be. What is this? What is this? Can that go in there? Oh, that can go in there. And it's going to be sewn around. Oh, yes. Isn't it lovely? What is it? We don't know. It doesn't have to have a purpose. So what do you think about the mega declutter with me video? What do you think about that? You know what else? I had this on my desk. I think I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it. Even though it is a little bit corny, isn't it? A little bit corny. So we'll do whatever. And we'll do makes you smile. And we'll do keep it. So we should do perhaps something like this and something like this. What do we think? Yes, we think. Sometimes we think, sometimes we do. Sometimes we think and do. The best times we do and not think, which is what I'm trying to do right now. Whatever. Like, I have this in my junk drawer. I don't need this little strip of paper. You know what I mean? I mean, there's lots of fun stuff in that drunk drawer. I keep saying drunk jaw. My jaw is drunk today. I'm working with my drunk jaw today. I'm so jittery from that coffee that I might as well be drunk. Coffee drunk. So the first 10 minutes or so is usually just me placing things down, and then usually it's done. I do have 8 minutes to go on my timer. And then with whatever left time I have, I go in and add little bits and pieces, you know, make it pretty, I suppose. So, oh, I cut that too short. I sure did, because that looks kind of ugly. What else do we have in my little pile? We have a bit of this. That's not a scrap, but it's something that I don't really use, so it's in the scrap drawer. We also have this. Do we want that? What do we think? I feel like that could be like utilized in something more important. But you know what? Right now, this is important. So we shall glue that baby down. Or as Annie would say, glue it down, woman. You need to do it now. What do we think? I literally have no paper. This is all I pulled out of my drawer. Not very helpful. Oh, I do have paper. Yes, I do. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? I know what I'm going to do. Do you know what I'm going to do? Watch this. Oh, yes. Stamp away. I stamped a bit too far away. Oh, no. I actually bought a new circle punch, believe it or not. You know how I like to use things until they're completely dead? Well, that other circle punch I was using, this one, is completely dead. I've tried everything. There's nothing that I haven't tried yet to sharpen it. Everything that anyone has ever suggested, I have tried. Sometimes it's just ready to be, you know, retired. What do we think? Not that great. Perhaps we want it here? Oh, yes. I like it there. Just a little bit. Should I cut into this? Or should I use this? There's too many lines happening. But now we can see this Tim Holtz business, which we don't want that. I mean, we don't mind that. We don't mind Tim Holtz. Tim Holtz is a cool dude. We like Tim Holtz stuff. But maybe today we want to do something like this. Oh, that does not look good. Oh, we also have this. What was I doing? What was I making here? Who knows? Yeah, I'm not really sure that I'm liking where this is going, but the clock is ticking. What about if we make a little bow? We make a little bow. Let's make a little bow. Oh my goodness, why am I talking like that? That's how I talk to Banjo. What's my little Banjo doing? He's sleeping. He's fast asleep. What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? Oh yes. We need a little something to hold that down. So we shall go for, what shall we go for? A brad. A pink brad or a black brad? Let's do a black brad. We might like that. Or a silver one. Black, silver, black, silver. Do not overthink. Silver. Silver it is. How do I make that bow? Something like this. Yeah. Am I even in screen? A little bow. We can have it here. We can have it here. We can have it here. I like this better. I do. I like that better. So, oh, it's gonna go through. Maybe we can plop a whole bunch of glue there, and I'm gonna take this out in case if that glue seeps through. Did it seep through? It did not. Excellent. Lovely, lovely. I'm gonna go to my sewing machine. I have 53 seconds left. All right. That's the 20 minutes. But am I done? No. All right, here I am. So all I did is wiggly lines down here and wiggly lines up the top. I only did 2 because the timer went off, because I don't know, everything is kind of straight and whatnot. So this is what I have in 20 minutes. It's not fabulous, and it's kind of very squarish, rectangular. So I feel like if I just go in with a little something, guess what? I'm gonna throw this in the bin. Unbelievable. Or am I? Am I? No, I don't think I am, because I think I have an idea for this little scrap piece of paper. Okay, I have 2 more of these circles because I feel like 3 little things is always the way to go. I may or may not use them, but let's see if I can find a spot for them. I was thinking of breaking this squarish business or rectangle business happening. So I was thinking of having something sticking out, but I'm not sure if that's something that I want to do. Oh, yes. You see where I'm going with this? So I'll tell you what's happened. I started doing the 20-minute sessions start of the year, I believe, or like February or something. January, it doesn't matter. The plan was to do it every day when I come into my craft space to kickstart the creativity. That was the plan. And then I decided to film it one day. And then I filmed a couple. And then I lost my mojo because I felt like I should be filming them. I shouldn't just be doing them by myself. And then I lost my mojo and then I completely stopped doing it. And then what happened is I had a fabulous idea in my mind. You know, when you are excited about something, you see a project that you're excited about and then you want to go and you want to do it. That's what happened with me. When I decided I'm going to make a book, like I knew that I was going to do something with these pieces. I wasn't sure what. Now I know. So now my mojo is well and truly back, and I am back to making these every day. And I actually ran out of this packaging paper. So, but I still want to make some more. All right, so that's today's yield. Pretty cool, pretty cool. This was yesterday's. It's an old book, and this is cellophane from like a bouquet of flowers. Anyway, I'm not gonna go into all of this now. I just want to put 3 on screen so that they can inspire you. Maybe not this one. This one's kind of interactive with lots of things kind of happening and, you know, all that stuff. Oh, let's not forget this. Look at this. How cool. Look at this. Ooh. All right, let's pop this one on screen because they all kind of go. How cool is this? Look at it. All right, this is all going to be in a book. I'm going to make a huge chunky journal. I'm going to make a book out of this. And the purpose of this book will be absolutely nothing. This book is going to be no purpose book. There's not going to be any writing in it. There's not going to be journaling. There's not going to be memory keeping. It's only going to be for fun, for me. I'm making something for fun, for me, not for a video, not for my YouTube channel, not for writing, not for anything, but having a massive piece of artwork full of little pieces of artwork, if you can call this artwork. So what I would really appreciate from you guys is two things. One, let me know what you think of three things actually. First of all, what do you think of this piece that we made today, that I made today? And does this inspire you? Does it make you want to go into your junk drawer and just glue stuff down? That was the whole reasoning behind this, me starting this series, because I guess I wanted to share with you how I kickstart my creativity and how you can help yourself kind of grow creatively. And sometimes it's nice to just do that with like random stuff that you keep because you know that you can make something with it, when in actual fact it's rubbish. Like this is rubbish, this is rubbish, this definitely, look at it, ugly. Look at this, like, but we can make something with it. So anyway, that's number one. What do you think of this piece? Do you think it's cool or do you think it's fugly? Okay, number two, what do you think of the book idea? And do you want me to make it on screen or do you want me to like make it and then show it to you? All right, number three, what do you think of the junk drawer declutter idea? We can do it together. We can do it drunk if we want to. We can be drunk decluttering our jaw. Yes, we could do that. Or we can be high on coffee, which is me currently. I'm really looking forward to reading your comments. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.